For almost 30 years, GWM has been part of the Middle East's automotive journey. Our story in the region began with strong and dependable pickups. Over the years, this foundation has grown stronger with the introduction of Haval, Tank, Aura, and Way. GWM has expanded into a full brand portfolio, offering customers more choice across SUVs, off-road luxury, electric mobility, and premium intelligent vehicles. In the last 3 to 4 years, this journey has entered a new stage of growth. Across the Middle East, GWM and our partners have significantly expanded and upgraded the network, bringing more showrooms, service centres, and workshops closer to customers. This expansion is not only about adding new locations, it is about building customer confidence. Confidence that GWM is here for the long term. Confidence that every vehicle is supported by a growing regional network. Confidence that customers can access professional sales guidance, trained service teams, genuine parts, and reliable after-sales care whenever they need it. Every new and upgraded facility reflects our commitment to a better ownership experience. Modern showrooms create a more welcoming and premium environment for customers to explore our brands. Advanced workshops and service facilities ensure that every GWM vehicle is cared for with the right tools, the right skills, and the right attention. From the first showroom visit to every service interaction, we are creating a customer journey built on trust, convenience, and care. This progress continues across the region, with each new facility strengthening our connection with customers and supporting the next phase of GWM's growth. From pickups to a complete global brand portfolio, for almost 30 years of presence to a fast-growing customer network, GWM continues to move forward with one clear promise: to be closer to our customers, to support them better, and to deliver a world-class ownership experience across the Middle East.